It is the end of Vlogmas, guys. What a wonderful time I had coming up here every day, talking to you guys, sharing with you guys. It's been amazing. It's been my first Vlogmas that I've done ever since coming on YouTube. You guys let me know if you enjoyed it, any ideas for this coming year, any ideas for next Vlogmas, or just feedback, really. What do you think I did well? You think I could have done better? Topics maybe that you would have wanted to see, or I mean, would you have wanted a more like a theme-based Vlogmas? I am keen to hear all of it. However, I just came up here to say thank you. Thank you for sticking with me, for subscribing, for watching, for sharing, for liking my videos, for commenting. It's been good. It's been great. Okay, thank you so much, guys. In this video, I am going to be introducing our challenge for the year 2024. I just thought, because this is the last day of Vlogmas, of course, I will continue to post, but it's not going to be daily, girl, because you guys don't want me to die, do you? You still want me to be able to function. It's been hard, but I'm so glad I've been able to achieve this. I decided, because the year is coming to an end and we're getting into a new year, why not start with a challenge? You guys know I've just done a moisture challenge. So this whole 2023, I was mastering moisture, and I did master moisture. I'll put a playlist for everything that I've shared, learned with regards to moisture, but I have never had this amount of moisture, this amount of softness in my hair ever. However, this coming year, I want us to challenge ourselves to a length retention goal. So this challenge, guys, is meant to help us retain the most length we have ever attained. People that know this channel know I have hit waist length, and I'm just so excited to share everything I've learned to get there. So you don't have to get to waist length in 6+ years. You can achieve waist length at 4 years. If you're bold right now, you can get to waist length. So this challenge hopefully helps you kickstart a routine that will help you achieve that goal. But even if you are not aiming for that, or you just want to grow your hair longer, or you are there already but you just want to, get more hair or longer hair, get to tailbone or whatever, this is a challenge that's pretty much going to help us retain the most length we can while keeping our hair healthy. Now, I am coming up with a digital product for you guys. I'm not going to say what it is yet, but it's exciting, and it's going to really help a lot of you guys out there. So if you want to be the first to hear about this product before it comes out, then please subscribe to my mailing list. It is free, and I do give you a free gift as you subscribe. And this gift is pretty crucial to this particular challenge, because it is 10, not 1, not 2, but 10 unpopular tips to help you retain length. It's not a short video, it's actually quite detailed. So subscribe to the mailing list, because that video will be free. You have access to it for free. It's not on the channel. You have to subscribe to the mailing list. Anyway, let's get into the challenge for 2023. The challenge is to be able to retain as much length as we can in that year and beyond. So this challenge should set you up to be able to achieve waist length in 4 years. Okay, and how are we going to do this? We're going to do this by avoiding breakage, avoiding tangles, and avoiding trims. How do we do that? By keeping the hair in such a way that it doesn't tangle. You can hydrate it, moisturize, do protein treatments, whatever, and keeping those ends tucked in and healthy so that they don't need trims in the first place. So this challenge is really going to be synthetic hair based or added hair based. So you can use human hair if you like. If you want to use just your normal hair, you can, of course, by all means, but I want to use added hair. I want us to use added hair because I want to lengthen the longevity of the style. All right. This way, the plan is just to detangle your hair 4 times in the year. Yeah, 4 times a year. That's it. And it's going to be a really gentle detangle. So here it is. What we're going to do, we're going to wash our hair. We're going to deep condition. We're going to do a protein treatment. We are going to moisturize our hair. And when I say moisturize, you're going to moisturize the heck out of your hair. If you haven't seen my videos, I don't play with moisture. We're going to use glycerin to moisturize our hair. If you don't know all about that, check my playlist for moisture. However, just mix up some glycerin and some water. Use your favorite leave-in conditioner and castor oil or whatever sealant you're using. I recommend castor oil, particularly for type 4. Thick hair. Okay. So put enough product in that hair. You want to put enough product because we're putting it in a protective style, and synthetic hair can be drying. So just make sure your hair is very well and truly moisturized. Once it's moisturized, you're going to stretch it somehow. Okay, so maybe braids or whatever, twist to stretch it. And then you're going to put it in one of the following styles. The top recommended, okay, the top one that I'm going to recommend to you is cornrows. Do cornrows, medium to small size cornrows, not large, because they're not going to last that long. Your hair is going to tangle, etc. Medium to small, preferably small, because they're going to last longer and they're going to tangle less when you go down to take them down. So once your hair is stretched and everything, put them in cornrows. If you can't do cornrows, please get someone to do your cornrows. I say this because you want the cornrows to be good quality so they can stay longer. Put your hair in cornrows and invest in a wig, okay? A wig like the synthetic wig, okay? This synthetic headband wig. I've done a video on this one. This one's $23. There's no excuse, guys. Pretty affordable. I've done lots of videos on human hair wigs. There is one I've done actually that's a headband wig and it's human hair. If that's what you prefer, you can use that. I have done a video on all the kinds of wigs that help you grow your hair. Check that video out for details. However, just to give you some options, you can use wigs with bangs. So we're not using any lace per se. So wigs with bangs, you can use wigs with afros, you can use pixie wigs. If you're gonna use lace, use a very, very small amount of lace on your wig, okay? So those are wigs that we're using. Use wigs that mimic your hair as well, so you're not manipulating your hair to match the wig. Once you get your wig, you've got your cornrows on, you're gonna style your hair in that wig. You're gonna wear the wig the whole time, all right? For the 3 months, put it on, put it off, put it on, put it off. If you don't wanna wear wigs, you can wear headscarves or hats, or even ponytail might work, or just wear your cornrows if you're comfortable with that. Headbands is another way. You can wear headbands to style your hair as well. So those are some options around the cornrows. It just depends on your lifestyle and your style. Once you have your wig on or your cornrows in, you're gonna moisturize as usual. So moisturize your hair, attend to your scalp, etc. Wash your hair as usual, okay? Because it's in cornrows, you're eliminating detangling. So that's going to be very, very good. You can wash, deep condition, moisturize, and then back into the wig, okay? Wash, deep condition, moisturize, back into the wig. I recommend moisturizing with heat every 2 weeks at least, okay? If your hair is very dry, then every week, but every 2 weeks has worked for me. And then washing the hair, try and not wash weekly. I would definitely discourage you from washing weekly. I would say if you must, every 2 weeks. However, if you can, a month plus. Try and keep it to a month, okay? A month is a sweet spot for most people. So you're going to do this on repeat, right? Moisturize your hair, wash it, deep condition, look after your scalp, back in the wig. Once you hit 3 months, we're going to wash the hair, deep condition, what have you, moisturize as usual. However, now we're going to start taking down the cornrows. So take down one cornrow, detangle with your hands, remove the shed hair, whatnot, put it into a flat twist. And then the next one, detangle, flat twist. Once you're done, reapply the cornrows. You can use the same parts or you can repart if you're worried about thinning with the parts. Get the person to put them in again. You follow me? The reason for this, guys, is because detangling is one of the worst things when it comes to retaining length, because it's this that breaks the hair. So by you detangling one little cornrow at a time, first of all, minimize breakage a lot, gives you patience a lot. Make sure you're stress-free, because if you need to rush somewhere, just put that in a flat twist, wig on, off you go. Done. You're gonna have that routine on repeat until you get to your length. All right. So you're saying to me, oh, look, I don't like cornrows. My edges are falling out. I can't wear headband wigs or whatever wigs you've suggested. I hate wigs. Fine. The next style I'm going to recommend is braids, okay? With braids, synthetic hair braids or human hair, whatever, same thing, wash, condition, whatever. Stretch your hair, put it in the braids. And then every 2 weeks, you're going to hydrate the hair. So every 2 weeks, we don't want the hair to be crunchy. And this is different because with the cornrows, once you moisturize your hair, you can put heat over that to to hydrate the hair. So you can open your cuticle with the heat. With braids, you can't necessarily put on a cap. So you want to use heat from the shower, as in wash the braids. So, I mean, you can wash your scalp if you want with like a shampoo. However, the rest of the braids, the main thing that I want you to do on a fortnightly basis is to rinse the braids with very warm water. That will help hydrate the hair, keep it healthy, keep it soft and all that, and then go back to moisturizing, what have you. So you can't really deep condition with braids, it's not really going to be effective, but you can hydrate. So with braids, every 2 weeks, stand in the shower, take your time. Just let that warm water open the cuticle, hydrate the braids. Once you're done, you dry them up and you moisturize. Now, for moisturizing braids, I recommend combining glycerin, water, so distilled water, your leave-in conditioner, and castor oil. Mix it up in a bottle, or like an applicator bottle is best. An applicator bottle is best. That way you can actually put it on, because you don't want to spray, because that can just get frizz happening. So just apply it onto the braids and just squeeze that product in. I have shown you guys how to moisturize braids. I'll put a link above to that video. I show you how to make the mixture and how to apply it and squeeze it in, okay? So that's what you do for braids, and same goes for twists, okay? If you're gonna use twists or braids, same routine. Every 2 weeks you hydrate and then you moisturize. Hydrate, moisturize. With braids and the twists, you wash you can wash every 2 weeks on the scalp and allow the shampoo to run down, etc. Or wash the braids as well. However, the style might not last that long if you are shampooing it every 2 weeks, particularly on the braids, your hair might start coming out. So you're washing the scalp, hydrating the hair. Got it? Same with the twist. That's what you do for the twist. Once you get to the 3-month mark, you wash, deep condition as usual, take it down. So you can take down, remove shed hairs, what have you, retwist. Take down, remove shed hair, retwist. So you can either do that and put it back into the synthetic hair, or you can take it down, retwist, take it down, retwist until all your hair is free of the synthetic hair. Do your wash, deep condition, what have you, and then put the hair back in. You're going to do that on repeat for the rest of the year and up to 4 years to get to waist length. I've given you 2 options, guys: wig lovers, twist lovers, cornrow lovers, braid lovers. Of course, you can switch it up with braids, twists, wear wigs with a different style underneath if you want to switch things up, but I'll keep it to 2 styles. So you can do cornrows for the first 6 months, braids for the next, or you can do cornrows, braids, cornrows, braids, cornrows, braids, or what have you. But try not to switch it up a lot, because a lot of breakage happens with parting. Okay, the reason why I'm choosing cornrows and wanting to keep cornrows is so you don't endure any breakage, parting your hair all the time. Now, to my people that don't want to use hair extensions, you can still do this. Follow a similar routine, but just, I guess, twist with your own hair and retwist as required. Okay, you might need to retwist every month or every 6 weeks, depending, because twists without hair, added hair, or braids without added hair won't last 3 months. So you can still do this even if you're not wearing synthetic hair, but the retwisting or the rebraiding will have to happen sooner. Okay, that way we're not having matted hair and what have you. So if you're not going to use hair extensions, my first recommendation will be the cornrows, like I said. Otherwise, braids. Do braids. Braids reduce tangles. Braids keep moisture in better, hold shed hair better, much better than twists. If you must, you can use twists with your own hair. However, it's not as effective. Okay, so braids. That's that. And that's pretty much it. That's the challenge. I will be updating you guys on what I'll end up doing and how everything will be going. If there's any updates, I'll make sure to make a video. However, that is that, guys. I hope you can join the challenge. I hope you can get serious about retaining your length now that we've mastered our moisture. There is absolutely no excuse. I'm excited about this and I hope you are too. Once again, thank you for supporting Vlogmas, for watching the videos, commenting, interacting. It's been wonderful. Until next time, it's Coily Diaries. Bye.